So guys, before we jump right into the bus or train ticketing system, let's just have an overview of what the RFID technology is all about. So RFID, or radio frequency identification, uses electromagnetic waves in the radio frequency spectrum for communication and data transfer. All right. So RFID tags are used in many industries, like we're going to be seeing in the transportation sector, and they can be found on everything from store tags to security access cards. So they can also be used to identify livestock, products, and in this video, bus or train ticketing system. All right, so here is how we get to see the RFID technology interfacing with the Arduino to turn on and turn off an LED. All right, you can see the demo here right now. So how does the RFID work? The RFID system, that is the radio frequency identification system, consists of two components: the RFID reader, this module that you are seeing connected to my breadboard, and the tags, either the tag and the card. All right, so these are also called the PCD, proximity coupling device, and PICC, proximity integrated circuit card. All right, so you have both the RFID reader and the tags. All right, so the RFID reader consists of an antenna to emit high frequency electromagnetic waves and a reader or writer. So MFRC522 from NXP is an example of such an integrated circuit. The RFID tag can be either passive or active. So batteries power active tags, while the passive tags are powered by energy from the readers interrogating electromagnetic waves. So the tags are available in different forms or shapes, like cards, tags, key fobs, or stickers. Like you can see the one we're currently using for our train or bus ticketing system, we're using the card and the tag. All right, so it can come in various shapes. So whatever shape the RFID card will consist of antenna. All right, so whatever shape it comes, the RFID tag or card will always consist of an antenna and an RFID chip, which will store all the data. When triggered by an electromagnetic interrogation pulse from any nearby RFID reader, the tag will transmit data back to the reader. All right, so this is how it works. So the reader will then analyze this data to identify the tag. All right, so and you're going to be seeing how we'll use this in the bus or train ticketing system. So unlike a barcode or QR code, the tag does not need to be within the reader's line of sight. All right, so this makes it easier to process and can be used for tracking objects in closed space. All right, so you can see this video demo and how we are using it to turn on and turn off LED with the RFID. You can see how we are using the RFID to turn on and turn off LEDs. All right, so you can also see the next video demo where the card reader is recognizing a particular tag or recognizing a particular card that was registered, but yet not recognizing a tag. So with these configurations that can be made to the system or the RFID, it can help also build a variety of applications depending on what you want to achieve. All right, so now let's dive into our bus validator system. Is the RFID bus or train ticketing system. So the RFID bus or ticketing train system uses or it allows passengers or users to pay their bus or train fare using registered cards, that is registered RFID cards or registered RFID tags, just like the bus ticketing system that is used in the Netherlands. Alright, so this system works in such that if your card or tag is registered to the RFID bus ticketing system, the system will recognize the registered card, and once it recognizes the registered card, it would debit you for the bus fare. In this case, since I am in Nigeria, we are going to be using the Naira currency, so it will deduct a 250 Naira bus fee or bus fare or train fare from your registered card or registered tag. And when the card or tag is not registered, the system is built to flag it out. Alright, so let's see how the system works. So that means this card can be recharged and this tag can also be recharged. So let's try this tag and let's see if it's recharged. So it said invalid card, get a valid card. So that means this tag was not registered. Now let's see if this card was registered. Oh wow, it is registered. It says hi user, payment okay. It just deducted 250 Naira from my balance. Let's say I want to extend my transit and I go again. Yeah, payment okay. I have 400 Naira remaining. I have 150 Naira remaining. Now let's see insufficient funds. Remember I said the bus fare is 250 Naira. Insufficient funds. So you can see this is such a smart way of making bus payments using registered cards. And then let's try this. Invalid card. Alright, so this is how the bus validator system works.
So guys, what do you think about this project? Do you want to recreate this project yourself? If you want to, click on the link in the video description below to access my technical article, and in that article you will get the code, but not just the code, but a detailed explanation of the code, and you get a circuit diagram, and you get a thorough explanation of how the entire project works, so you can modify the project yourself and understand the in and out of the project. Alright, and please click on the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. And if you like this video, you enjoyed the video, just give me a thumbs up to encourage this channel, and share the video. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and bye bye.